We just put empty glasses.
Excited.
Put your Christmas tree here. So
Oh, the view is so nice. I'm glad we chose this place. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, formerly known as Chaos. Yes. Hello. Hi, my Grinch. What's up? Don't take the. Hello.
I'm jumping into it.
Okay, yes. Sungin can also be in the film. Let's do this. I like how the trees also come. I put the tree over here, yeah.
I am bringing the
Everyone wants to be in my vlog. Basically, that's the point. No, I don't want to be in your vlog. Then you can. I want to. My ex-work wife, she's here. Ex-work wife. Yeah, man. It's ex only. Ex बोल दिया है हमें. Okay, guys, we are doing a fun challenge today. Okay, we are doing a fun challenge today, and this idea came by Warren actually. But I thought about it also, but I thought we wouldn't have time. But we made spontaneous plans.
Because I'm the best person to exist on planet Earth.
Okay. Self-obsessed. Okay. So we are doing Secret Santa today. 4 of us: Krishna, Warren, and Fungin. Who doesn't want to be in the video, but we forced her. Not really. Show my shoes. She wants you all to see her shoes. Please.
Put better shady on.
My new shoes. So we are doing Secret Santa, and our budget is 250, and we are going to Hill Road for shopping. Bandra Hill Road. And Fungin has made very cute chits for us with our names on it, and each of us will pick one of it, and whoever we get, we will obviously get a gift for them. We are going to go to Hill Road now. Time क्या हो रहा है अभी? 18th December. It's 10 PM, and we are going to go to Hill Road now, jaldi and get stuff. This is exciting. Fungin wanted to show her cute diary also. we have to get this all in
just
video.
Like Fungin.
Very cute, very cute. She has done all the mehnat of writing the names. Yes, they'll be very cute.
What's the difference? No. We have this and we give to you this.
Not coming quick time. Yay! Yes! Excited!
I got myself.
Wait, shuffle. Okay, shuffle. I will shuffle. Let me shuffle. Warren gifting himself. ये वापस वही सीन हो गया तो. Yeah, I got the same one. Even I got
In
the
case
same.
anyone thinks I'm cheating you the second time.
I got the same thing. Even I got the same thing.
This is self-love to the like next level.
Second time, guys. यार. अगर ये वापस हुआ ना. Okay. Okay. Everyone. But it's good. It's good. Okay, now. I mean, y'all can take my camera. They will show whom they got for themselves only. Okay. Okay. Bye. Guys, I got my work wife.
Hi guys, I don't know how you do this shit, but okay. I have got dude, and I'm a bit scared because yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I have got
So I told you that I like you. I have got. This is who I got. This is my doggo. And let's see now. Also, Pungin drew all the drawings on the on the chits. Very cute. So we all are going to go our separate ways and shop for the one you've got on your chit.
Yes.
Okay?
Yay!
So now I'm at Hill Road and we all have gone our separate ways. I hope we don't crash into each other. But since you all know I got Krishna, I have to search for something. And it's easy actually because Krishna is easy to do. Okay, so I went to like 2-3 shops, like racks, and I didn't really find anything there. I'm still looking. I just ran into. I don't know why they are both together, but they are stupid.
We just met and I was done.
Hill Road is shutting almost, and I got Krishna's stuff. I'm going to keep it in my bag because I don't know if I'll come across them somewhere. Okay, now to the next place. I am trying to find an accessory place now so I can like accessorize her a bit. Okay, I am finally done. I got a scarf which I'm going to put it like on her head or something, and I got a very cute top and a necklace for her. So yeah, that's it. So if you guys didn't know, Hill Road is my second home. I just know all the shops everywhere, and I knew where I had to go and get stuff. So me, Krishna and Pungin are done. This Warren is only left, and we have told him to meet us at Balaji. Everyone is given the time by 10:45 to reach near Balaji basically, and we are almost reaching there. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Where is this man?
She felt it was rushed, but I think Pungin did a really good job.
Really, we don't even know what
Where are you? I know she's done a good job. Warren is finally here. What is the time?
44.
Okay, very nice. Everyone's on time.
Good, very good.
Yes. Okay, wait. We'll go order wise. Please like maintain थोड़ा order in this because देखने भी मिलना चाहिए कैमरा में क्या हो रहा है.
That's
It's
very bad.
नहीं, इसको इधर बैठना है. इधर ही अभी उठो मत.
Dun, drum roll. I got orange.
Yay!
Dun.
Wait. Yes. अभी कृष्णा.
I got Osita.
Happy birthday. Oh, I thought you were singing happy birthday to my
No.
Anyway, sit here, bro. Thank you. I got, you already know, second of
Yes, obviously I got Krishna. It's just like me and Krishna exchange and Warren and Pungin exchange.
Like, I खरीदूं यार, what to pick? Because I didn't know. So I went with something very basic. Catch this, please. And I bought him a very Christmassy plain red tee. So
I get a DIY audit.
yeah, so he can style it with anything. He can, wear it like that only, but he can wear a jacket or anything. You can style it with anything.
Thank you.
Christmassy vibes, yeah.
Yeah, Pungin did a good job. Yes.
इसने अपने लिए भी शॉपिंग की.
मैंने भी किया.
I bought all a very cute sock.
Yes, thanks. I needed them.
Aniku? No. It's Mickey Mouse.
Oh,
Okay,
cute.
there's no Mickey Mouse on there. Yeah.
I will take it. Thank you.
And very cool sweater.
Oh, I like this.
Wow. Okay, they can't see that.
Also, guys के कपड़े मिलते नहीं ज़्यादा हिल में. So I was
Let me take it from here. बता वो बीच वाला बता. Oh yes.
It's thrifted and it's from fucking Zara.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Thrifting, guys, please thrift. Start
Yes.
thrifting.
Okay.
Yeah, wait, Warren, wait.
Needing extra, called extra and overboard. So, I have a two-piece outfit for Pungin. One is a red bucket hat. It is a fuzzy, fleecy bucket hat.
I've never worn a bucket hat, to be honest.
And the other is like this baseball kind of shirt with long ass sleeves.
Wow.
That looks so nice. Thank you so much.
Welcome. That's what I do. I can do it. Sit down.
She looks so cute. Yes.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
You bought my size. Thanks, yeah, Warren. This is so cool.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. One. I've got two, three stuff. I want her one scarf. But this is to tie on your head and you either way do that tying thing. But I want you to tie this as a bow on top or something like a hairband. Since your hair is short. Anyhow, you can style this stuff. Then I got her this color top because I'm not sure to wear this color. And it's very cool. And look at the sleeves, yeah, it has like this chota puff over here. And the button.
Is it my size?
Yes, it's your size. And there's a cute button. This is your size. You can एक और एक चीज है extra. कितना लगे बजट में ये? 100. Wow. Yeah, this butterfly is hers. The other one is mine.
मेरे लिए भी लेके आती है.
This butterfly is hers. It's coming in a vlog. This is her neck piece. Because it would go with that, I think.
It's my emoji
Yeah.
on Instagram.
Yeah.
सबने कितना है Warren, I'm really sorry if I got something very basic for you. I really have no clue how to talk. I mean, yeah, but you can wear the red t-shirt. But you can style it. I'm sorry.
100 and this is 50. Okay, so we are done.
You have to be in the video to say.
Hello.
Yes, I am. We are finally done and I think everyone has done a really good job. We did it very quickly. We literally just was sitting at the coffee shop and we just decided. Actually, Warren had texted me and sent this voice note to me in the morning and I had this idea since long time which I wanted to do but I didn't know if we would meet. And finally we did it. It was quick and Hill Road was shutting so I had to do it very quick. All of us had to do it very quick. So yes! Thanks for watching. Go like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you all want something more like this with my friends who are not really interested right now in what I'm talking, then comment that and we will do it again. Bye!